Dear electric engineers, what I'm bringing to you today is the application of a windsock MOSFET in the 85-volt electric C-source brushless motor. The model number is WSD80120DN56. It is N-channel DFN5 multiply 6-8 package. Its VDS is 85 volt, ID is 120 ampere, and RDS on is 3.7 million. This MOSFET has similar parameters to AONS62814T, AONS62814T of AOS brand, to STL130N8F7, STL130N8F7 of ST brand, and other models. This MOSFET can also be used in medical care, photographic equipment, drones, industrial control, 5G, automotive electronics, trimmers, handheld chainsaws, and so on. It is mainly used to control the speed and the direction of the motor. It is a power MOSFET with excellent performance, which can meet the needs of many high-voltage application scenarios, and can withstand a certain amount of power loss and improve efficiency.